Welcome to all the YouTube growers out there in YouTube land. I ran across this video and I actually thought this guy was pretty amazing. And as I watched when he started to harvest these strawberries, something was wrong. I could be wrong myself. You guys take a look at this video and let me know what you think. Comment below. Is it fake or is it real? He actually was doing pretty good up until this point. Now at first glance, everything looks awesome. A lot of strawberries, healthy plant. But as I look a little closer, I start to see some discrepancies. Yeah, that's right, discrepancies. I don't think these strawberry stems are supposed to be growing out of the dirt. And they're all growing out of one side of the pot. I find that a little suspicious. I think the strawberry stem is supposed to be growing out of the middle of the plant or near the middle of the plant. Some of these stems look like they're actually from the plant, the one with the flowers and the green strawberries on them. But the ones that's coming out of the soil, very suspicious. I also make videos on YouTube growing with my hydroponic system, and I wouldn't think about cheating. Well, I'll let the good man above take care of this guy. Folks, be kind to everyone, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. Godspeed. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Fake or real? Look at all those strawberries.